Boom. Deep Speaks in the building, people. Yes, yes, yes. The takeover. Man, Mike GLC, yeah. Crazy. That guy just makes you like think about life. He says something. If there wasn't something he said what you may have been doing at that time, you're lying. You're lying. Trust me. He fully goes in. Anyone that pressed dislike on that video, not on mine, on his one, they blatantly are doing everything he said. That's why you press dislike. But as this is the takeover, we're going straight back to OFB Starish N again. Like, these man are making noise. Like, top, highly requested right now. It could just, everything could flip. 410 might drop a tune tomorrow. Everyone will request that. Like, just be, like, you know, believe in your request. Believe in it. Big up my subs, man. Let's go straight into this. Mixtape Madness, 61,000. OFB, RV, Cash, Low-Key, Heady One, Brads and Tugsy. All the Donnies on this one, people. You know where this is coming. Right down there, man. Let's go. Let's get it. Takeover. Them man's had 2 tracks already.
Little bonus track for you. Can't say we don't look after you. Shaka Town Loyal.
Yeah, I saw some clips on Instagram of this still. Saw some clips.
Me and that prick was cool.
Broadwater.
Used to keep balling vapors. Last time that I got round there, tried grab the youth and made papers. Do you roll with my shank on me, or I keep my strap parked off at neighbours? No space for the swam on the waist, cause my D square G's can't tapered. My whole team low, no traitors. This shot feel like we're waiters. All of my fiends get catered. 10-10 we got flavours. More than half my team being jailed, that's all for drillers and papers. Teeth go straight in the clip. Ain't no need for retainers. Broadwater farm, we're famous. Designer from head to the trainers. Niggas be talking like wasps till they get splashed. Don't be courageous. Don't add K's, no way. Get blazed in the face, no shavers. Most drillers are north. OFB, we taking that status. Get the drop from a bitch that's dirty. Hit the up block, go clean it. Go around there with a broom, try know that I ain't can't sweep it. Back out the road, boom, back, I'm trying to cash corn at the Egypt. Off beat to the world and back, got beef for the whole of the region. Smith stepped in with the facts that I ain't gonna lie. I was like, whoa. Young nigga trapping in the hood, trying to stack real hard so my stats will grow. Jiggle back, step to the room, me and Braddock, traveling with both like, whoa. Stream off BK till we get round there, got things on things in our car.
What's wrong with step on street? Rifle long on the dog a beat. None of them boy they can't talk to we. Machine pop and I boy the same. Flick shot bush on them blood and leak. Done with the talk because talk is cheap. None of the back cause I smoke my trees. None of them bad, the boy just some nicks. Money I make so we prepare for big. But them can't just
none of them bad, the boy just some nicks.
Strap it them out to them boy one crazy. Bullet hot like the sun up.
Bullet hot like the sun up.
You know good is Brad OFB. Free all my niggas. Lockdown, you know how it goes.
Come on.
Brad, yeah.
Gang shit.
Free out the OFB.
Sealand Road, come on.
Gang.
Shouts out to Cardi, I got bad beat. And the bony come lane, call it candy. Your pack's just looking like mine. Doing up trips again from catchback ends. Needing a fix, be there in a bit. You know that the cats they kitten. Got all that work when enough. Next reload, got to be twinning. That's a hashtag winning. He's worked on his abs, but I hit him in his back. That's hashtag spilling off. Ends to make a hashtag killing with your hand. That's hashtag stealing. Back row squaring, man's lurking for a man in a dinger. No German, blacked off those golden like wervers. They ain't called sweet, but they burning.
I told Z that we gotta do a 5 this week, and I'm pretty gonna hit that target. Now bro do night, you're the M-waist girls in the glove compartment. I fed the Lord that I beat these charges. Still inquiring in the gun market. And that's me and Frog gone shopping. And we don't need trolleys and baskets. To my young boys when you see those ops get chinging, don't you dare walk right past them. And when you get back to the block, come and tell me which one run fastest. Still ching man's head back, telling you local barber. 17 in this country, I don't need body armor.
Man said I'm your new local
I just
barber.
got the drop, there's a op. OFB step with the broom. Young days mum tried to take me on the church road, but got into scraps like boom. Nice names, you can't blame me. 1 foot 8 on my marksman. Done years for violence, I still get busy. I'm breaching my license. Dodging sirens, little bro just on the junior fuck trident. Rolling in the ringer, having my dash in the Zion. Check the scoreboard like H said, my G's put your keys on the news. It's green like season, I'll burst my skin in my lube.
My whole team low, no traitors. This shot feel like we're waiters. All of my fiends get catered. 10-10 we got flavours. More than half my team being jailed. That's all for drillers and papers. Teeth go straight in the clip. Ain't no need for retainers. Broadwater Farm, we're famous. Designer from head to the
Yeah, there
trainers.
was a documentary on Broadwater Farm,
till they get splashed. Don't be courageous. Don't add K's, no way. Get blazed in the face, no shavers.
Don't add K's,
most
no
drillers
way.
in North. OFB week, taking that status.
There you have it. One of the most anticipated mixtapes in the game. My guys, Arvy and Heady one have done it.
Definitely. Like we're seeing here on the Takeover, what, their second track already. I think I'm 5 tracks in, 1 day in, 2 tracks already requested out of hundreds, thousands that could be requested. That is mad. Have to big that up each and every time. Starish, OFB, Heady One, Tugsy, all of them man went in. Tugs was wilding on that one. Still, I like the little reference about Mum try send me Church Road, something about scraps and that. Like, that was a boom little met there that he dropped there. Still, that was vibes. Cash as well. Cash went in nicely, still nicely. Do you know what? The team as a whole, they definitely work. Low key with the ragga thing. If you can't catch his words, you need to listen a couple of times. You know that patois there, yeah? It's mad. It's mad. And he's got it mad on point. He don't even try water it down. You know them ones there. Have to big him up each and every time. Takeover season. Boy, who knows? Who knows what's cracking? What's coming next? The numbers are changing. Every minute I check it, the numbers are changing. Big up the subscribers. It's your time, man. Just believe in your requests, you get me? Gas it up. Make everyone hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel. Peace.